people from Lilong Qingdao have been undergoing treatment of diarrhea and vomit at hospitals. The epidemic has reached Thoubal too. Good afternoon, welcome to ISTV English News. I'm Surbala Kangabam. Let's see the news in detail. Even as 27 people from Lilong Qingdao in Thoubal district who have fallen ill from an unknown epidemic have been admitted to different hospitals in Imphal city for treatment, yet another 5 persons have also been brought to RIMS hospital for treatment of suspected waterborne disease. The newly admitted 5 persons are 1 from Thoubal Moijing and 4 from Lilong, including a child. All of them have similar symptoms. They were admitted to RIMS hospital today. The person from Thoubal was admitted to the hospital after he started complaining of having frequent nature's call without any concrete reason. More than 32 persons, including women and children, are undergoing treatment at RIMS hospital for the disease yet to be identified. 2 patients who were admitted to the hospital yesterday have been discharged today. According to a statement made by Medical Superintendent of RIMS, Professor M. Amuba, the disease is still unidentified. Doctors are investigating the disease by testing the feces of the patients. However, none of the admitted patients have been found to be in critical condition so far. Even though a specific reason is yet to be identified, it is suspected that the epidemic could have broken out due to consumption of hand pump water of the locality. It is also suspected that a chemical change might have occurred below the tube well in the recent earthquake. Nonetheless, an absolute reason can be figured out only after conducting a test on the water of the tube well, Professor Amuba said. Hearing of the long-pending case of killing of Chungkham Sanjit on BT Road 6 years ago was held in the Court of District and Session Judge, Imphal West at Uripok, Cherak today. 8 of the 9 accused police personnel were present at the court during the hearing. Counsel of the accused party, Advocate Lakikanta, drew the attention of the judge, saying that as one of the accused, Head Constable Herojid has made a confession in public that he himself had shot dead Sanjit. It would be only logical to hold the hearing in his presence. Therefore, Advocate Lakikanta urged the judge to give some time to find out the truth from Herojid. The judge gave his consent on the request and fixed the hearing to be held on February 20. On the other hand, Senior Special Advocate of CBI P. Ibomcha said Head Constable Herojid is still an accused. As long as the court has not given its judgment in connection with the case, no legal action can be taken against him, he said. Union Minister of State of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Giriraj Singh, has categorically stated that for the second time in Manipur, Fragrance and Flavor Development Center, FFDC, will be open soon. In an exclusive conversation with the ISTV News team, Union Minister Giriraj Singh said, by only developing seeds, grains and agricultural products, development for farmers in India can be brought about. Other aromatic plants and medicinal plants should also be cultivated to enhance the economy of the farmers. This is a concept opined by Prime Minister Narendra Modi for the betterment of the farmers of India. So, a second unit of FFDC of Kannauj, Uttar Pradesh is all set to be opened in Imphal. He also gave assurance that to enhance the economy of the state, geranium, an aromatic plant variety which is used for extracting oil, will be cultivated abundantly in the state by having consultation with the Commerce and Industry Minister. All these steps towards development are a part of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's campaign that development of northeastern states is a necessity to make India a developed country, he added.
Agriculture with livestock, जिसमें एग्रीकल्चर में जो सीरियल क्रॉप्स है, इससे किसानों का, गांव का उद्धार नहीं हो सकता, उनको उतने पैसे नहीं आ पाएंगे। इसीलिए फ्लेवर एंड फ्रेग्रेंस, खास के एरोमेटिक और मेडिसिनल, और ये अब कितने दिनों में नहीं बल्कि प्रोसेस में शुरू है। उसके टाइमिंग की बात तो नहीं, लेकिन 2-4-6 महीने में सारा सेटअप हो जाएगा। इससे ज्यादा समय नहीं लगेगा, क्योंकि अभी इन्होंने टिश्यू लैब बिठा चुके हैं, एस्टेविया का प्लांटेशन मटेरियल तैयार हो रहा है, फिर लेमन ग्रास का, फिर एस्ट्रोलुना का, फिर कई ऐसे एरोमेटिक प्लांट हैं। मैं तो अभी और बात करने वाला हूं कि यहाँ का क्लाइमेट सूट करता है। वो आगे मंत्री जी से, गोविंद जी से बात करके, जेरेनियम एक प्लांट है जिससे एक्सट्रैक्ट करके तेल, वो भी मैं चाहूंगा कि आगे इस पर डिस्कशन करूं। तो ये किसानों के लिए, गांव के लिए एक मणिपुर के आर्थिक उत्थान में, लाइवलीहुड में, इकोनॉमिकल लाइवलीहुड में एक मील का पत्थर साबित होगा, मेरा मानना है।
On the other hand, Apunba Manipur Kanba Imalup Amkil has said that Police Head Constable T.H. Herojid has confessed that he shot that Sanjit, but who killed Rabina. Amkil urged the authority concerned to find out who shot that Rabina. 3-day state-level Teachers Science Congress has commenced at Manipur Science Center, Takelpa today. It is jointly organized by Manipur Science and Technology Council, MASTEC, and Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. Many teachers from different districts of the state participated in the Science Congress. Ex-Vice Chancellor of Manipur University, Professor C. Amuva, Director of Education S. N. Praveen, and Director of MASTEC, Dr. Surendranath, etc., eminent person attended as main guest. All Manipur Students Union, MSU, Imphal East District Committee has informed in a press release that district-level mega mock test for Class 10 and 12 was held on January 31. S. Amarjit of Tiny Tots Unique School, T. Suraj of Emmanuel English Academy, and Washoron Chingthung of Tiny Tots Unique School bagged first, second, and third respectively in the Class 10 category. In Class 12 category, Soram Welkina of Herbert School, Ngangbam Loyangamba of Sangay Higher Secondary School, and A. B.K. Sharma of Royal Academy of Sciences bagged first, second, and third places respectively. The headlines once again. Even as many people from Nilong Qingdao have been undergoing treatment for diarrhea and vomit at hospitals, the epidemic has reached Thoubal too. Thank you so much for joining with us.